Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here. And if you're new to my channel, I am doing a Christmas series the whole month of December. And today is episode number 3. And if you would like to be subscribed, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. So today it's a project share. Yes, I am in the Christmas Ornaments wagon. And I made these gorgeous mini ornaments using canvases. Yes, I bought these canvases. They are 3 by 3 and 2.5 by 3 3/4 at Joann's Fabric last year on clearance. I paid like 50 cents, but I believe the regular price for these little canvases are like $1.99, $2. I haven't seen them even more going over. And I had them stored and for another project that I never completed, and I just decided to use them. So let me show you the materials that I use to make these mini ornaments. So I use the Merry Days paper pad, the 6 by 8. Use this paper, the plaid, which is like so beautiful. I use also the Merry Days tags. There are a couple of tags that I use them as ephemera. Use the Snow and Cocoa frames. These are like the leftovers of the frames. But I use 2 frames. And this collection goes along with Merry Days. You know, it has pink and teal. So, and also use these sticky scent hats from Christmas Crafts that I bought on sale at Hobby Lobby a couple of weeks ago. Hope there's not much glare. And for the trim, I use this floral trim from Robert Stanley collection. They were on sale, I would say 2 months ago. They were on sale, so I didn't pay full price. And this is in the floral section of Hobby Lobby. Love it. I love the color. It goes along with the collection. And to glue, I use again my score tape. I love this double-sided adhesive. And some of my foamies, square foamies. Yes, I use paint, apple barrel, and the color is cameo pink. And my famous silicone glue. I bought this silicone glue at Martha's Creation. She has an Instagram account, Martha's Creation. She sells these, so it's the best glue that I have ever used. Better than Faber-Tac, believe it or not. Okay, so let's start and explain how I made. So the first one, let's start in order. I cut the paper 3 by 3 and glue it with the score tape. You can even use like double-sided tape, but it has to be a very strong tape so it doesn't become loose. I didn't use silicone glue or other types of glue because I want it to be dry, not wet. Then after I glue the background, I adhere this ephemera. It's a fox, yes, with my square adhesives. I want to give it a little bit like a 3D effect. And I painted the fox. So I used like the dry brush technique and painted the fox because the fox was like a very strong color. So I'm like, I'm going to tone him down. I know he's not going to disappear, but that's fine. And then once he was dry, I glue one of the Santa hat stickies. The Santa hats were kind of loopy, so what I did was I inserted like a cardboard so the Santa hats stayed straight. Then I used one of the acetates that I bought last year from Heidi Swapp and used 2 ivory resin flowers. And after that was done, I used my silicone glue and glue the trim around. It was very easy to do. Then on the second ornament, I used the Snow and Cocoa frame, the tags from the Merry Days collection, the glitter paper that came with the tags from the Merry Days collection, and I have this teal paper that I traced just to pick up the teal color of the frame, and glue a ivory resin flower with my silicone glue, and then after that I glue the trim. And the third one, this was cute too. I glue the background with the score tape, use one of these Snow and Cocoa frames, and the tag that came with the Merry Days collection, these taggies, and glue them with my score tape. Then these were holidays, it already came on the frame, so what I did was I cut a little mini golden banner with one of the papers that came with the Merry Days tags, and then I dry brush pink just so the word Happy Holidays will stand out. And here I have this chipboard that it's like a corner chipboard, and I decided to paint it with the Cameo Pink Apple Barrel paint. And I glue a flower that was pink but a different kind of pink, so I dry brush the flower just so it goes along with this chipboard. And then on top of the chipboard I used the Park Lane jammies that I bought on sale a couple of months ago, and it just ties along, pick up the golden tones and the pinky tones as well. Yeah, so these are, see if you guys can see it. These are the ornaments, very simple to make using mini canvases and the Merry Days collection. And these are the Christmas ornaments that I made. Just leave me a comment down below, what do you like, and if you're using your Merry Days paper collection. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, click that subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.